Could you please tell us, brief us about the entire case, what exactly happened and what is the case is happening?
Sure. So this is obviously with regard to the threequel, Hera Pheri 3, and as everyone knows, it's in the making. Stakeholders had met, confirmed the production of the film. In fact, Paresh had tweeted about the film sometime in the end of January, indicating very clearly that he would be associated with it. Thereafter, there were contracts entered into. The shooting for the trailer began. In fact, there was some portion, about 3 or 3.5 minutes of the film itself had been shot. And then suddenly in the month of May, a few days ago, we receive a notice from Paresh saying that he is no longer associated with the film and doesn't want to be associated with the film. So it's taken everybody by shock and surprise, of course. But apart from that, I think there will be severe legal consequences. It's, of course, hurt the franchise. We have written to him, letting him know that there are, a lot of legal consequences involved. There have been expenses incurred towards the cast, towards the crew, towards leading senior actors, logistics, equipment, shooting of the trailer. And once he's entered into a contract, now reneging from it has severe consequences for the film. There's reputational damage involved for the actors that had committed to the film, the franchise as a whole, and of course there's a great deal of disappointment among the audience. So we're optimistic that things work out, but as of now, we're facing legal issues.
So what you're proposing to, what is the legal course of action has been taken with regards to this?
Well, at this point, there's some legal communications being exchanged between the parties. We haven't heard back from Paresh as yet. So we've given him about 7 days to respond. Let's see what we receive.
We also heard that this 25 crore damage even asked by the. Could you please elaborate on that, because there's a lot of news circulating around it.
Right. So these are, like I said again, damages towards the losses suffered on account of a unilateral pullback from the film after having acted upon the contract that he had already entered into. Of course, the production house paying senior actors, the production house has incurred its own costs. Trailers have been shot and released. So there's been a substantial amount of money already invested in the film. Shooting had begun. Of course, everyone's synchronized schedules are now disrupted. Professionally, it's affected everyone. So we have sent a legal notice. Let's see. So far, there's been no development since then.
Okay, but the legal notice also, there have been reports that the legal notice mentioned that 25 crore. Could you please tell us that exactly it's true or it's not?
It is true. We have issued a legal notice.
Achha. And any response from the Paresh Rawal or his team or his lawyer's team or something like that?
Nothing as now. Nothing as of yet. Like I said, let's hope things work out. It's good for all the stakeholders in the film. It's good for the audience. It's good for the franchise. It's a very beloved franchise. So let's see what happens.
You said 7 days period you guys have looking forward to the response from the. So when the 7 days is getting over, or it's any?
Maybe in maybe 2 or 3 days more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to tell us, or you think that's important to be told?
No, nothing at this point. It's still. I'm sure parties are talking to each other and trying to work things out. So as lawyers, I think we should stay out of it. Unless we need to really, get involved, we should stay out of it.